Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with another entry for my 2 of a kind Summer Challenge anniversary giveaway. If you would like to join, this is open until August 1st, and I will be picking 2 winners on August 5th, so I hope that you can join in the fun. If you've missed any of the other entries, make sure to check out the giveaway playlist. Let's open this up. Number 19 comes from a really sweet, crafty friend, Susan. Her channel name is Susan Heartstrings. She is the wonderful host of the open collaboration hashtag Stamp and Play, and she has been really supportive of a lot of our crafty channels. I love her creations. She loves gorgeous girls, fairies. I love her fashion little pieces when she makes them into ATC cards. So make sure to check out her channel. I'll link it down below. Let's see what she sent. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of goodies in here. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Let me look for the card. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, where do we begin? Oh my gosh, Susan. Let's open this up and see what is in here. Let me just cut that open. Here is this beautiful paper bag. I love the Parisian theme to it. Let us open it up and see what is in here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love this stamps. I've seen her use this for several of her Stamp and Play projects. And so this is part of her entry. She stamped it twice. And I love that they're on 2 different tags. So thank you so much. And that's the back side. Love it. So let's put that right there. She's also sent me 2 of these adorable cards, and I love it. I'm definitely going to be using this in future journal projects. Love dogs and birds. Oh, Susan, thank you so much. And here is the beautiful card. This is a handmade card that she made me. I did see her VR, and again, it's such a wonderful experience to see the handmade gifts that our friends make us in person. It says, "Happiness blooms from within." And how gorgeous is that? We have the butterflies here, beautiful stamp, and there's a little bird there. I don't know if you see it. And then some lace, and I love the blue. And then we have that pink applique, and that's the back. Let me read this real quick. Thank you so much, Susan. Look at that beautiful note, and I love that card. Thank you for the friendship. Really appreciate you. And here is our actual 2 of a kind entry, and they are butterfly playing cards. How gorgeous is that? And look at these. I love this. This is really awesome. So thank you so much for sharing that. We are going to add that in just a bit to our little container over here. She's also given some extras. Again, guys, extras are not necessary, but of course, greatly appreciate. I love this pouch. Oh my gosh, this is perfect to use in travels. Oh my goodness, what have you put in here? So Susan has shared this beautiful, wow, fabric. I love the colors on this one. Isn't that pretty? We have the greens and the blues. This would definitely make a wonderful cover for a future journal, and I just love it. I love the colors on that one. So thank you so much. We have more goodies in here. Oh my gosh. You are too sweet. Oh wow. Oh wow, no way. I'm a big fan of Kelly Ray Roberts' art. Oh my goodness. This is just gorgeous. Thank you so much. And it says Faith. So in my craft room, I have one of her collage art prints. It's like a canvas art print. And I also have her books. So thank you so much for this. I love it. Thank you so much. And what is here? There's more in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it so much. I'm definitely going to put this next to the artwork. And oh my gosh. look at this. I just love it. I'm getting goosebumps because I have another metal plate art piece that I had purchased years ago. And I forget now what it says, but I will show you. Hopefully I can pop it in here. But love this beautiful dragonfly. And Kelly Ray Roberts was one of the first artists that I was inspired to do mixed media and just kind of get creative. This is so beautiful. Susan, thank you so much. This is really precious. Oh my goodness. How amazing is that? And then she has added a miniature composition book, and I love minis, so I'm definitely going to put this in my purse and use it. And what else do we, oh my gosh, she has also added these beautiful floral stamps. So we are going to be stamping. We have one more item here. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this bow? I love it. I think I'm going to be adding this to a summer journal that I'm working on. I just love it. Thank you so very much. Again, here is the beautiful card that Susan has made for me. And I'm going to be adding her beautiful playing card entries in here. This is what we've received so far, and we have quite a collection now. And I'm excited to use these cards in future projects. So super excited. I'm just going to put that in there, and then we shall put the other one so it doesn't miss its pair in this side. How cute is that? And then I'm going to be adding these cuties also to this book. So these playing cards were given to me by Carrie, and then we have some die cuts. I have more to add, so I'm just going to start the page here, and we are going to go ahead and put our two-of-a-kind stamping cuties in here, and these adorable ones in here for future crafty use. So that is it, guys. Again, a big thank you, oh my goodness, to Susan for this amazing entry and all the wonderful goodies that you've included. Thank you so much for being supportive. I hope you guys show her some crafty love and head on over to Susan's Heartstrings. Believe me, you will love her channel. I love listening to her and just seeing her show her happy mail, show her ATCs, and she does the most beautiful twin sheets as well. So please make sure to check her out. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.